Life insurance is a regular component of long-term financial planning. The tricky part is that life insurance policies aren't always specific enough to accommodate the unique needs of the families who use them. Enter life insurance riders. Riders allow people to customize their life insurance plans to fit their family's goals. Let's get into it. Riders are optional add-ons that you can tack onto your insurance policy. They usually either broaden or alter the original policy's terms to tailor fit them to your situation. The idea is to patch any potentially dangerous holes that expose you to financial risk that your life plan doesn't specifically account for. In other words, riders are the extra toppings on your pizza, the DLC in your favorite video game, and the seat with extra legroom on your flight. While insurance riders come with an additional cost, they are designed to enhance the experience of your family's life insurance in meaningful ways. While you must do your own research on what kinds of riders your life insurance carrier offers, here are a few of the most common. Guaranteed insurability riders lets you adjust coverage as your family's needs change without needing a medical exam that could raise your premiums. This rider saves you a doctor's visit and helps you sidestep higher bills. While a difficult topic, parents sometimes outlive their children. Should this tragedy befall your household, having a child term rider in place will help cover the cost of their burial, funeral, accrued debts like student loans or medical bills, and other costs. Adding a spousal rider to your life insurance policy can be a cost-effective way to cover both heads of household without purchasing separate policies. This rider provides a payout to help with expenses should you or your spouse pass away. Life insurance requires monthly payments, but a waiver of premium rider cancels them if a policyholder becomes disabled or seriously ill. If eligible and with the proper paperwork, coverage continues at no cost. A long-term care rider lets you use your insurance to cover nursing home costs or in-home help if you need assistance with daily tasks. This rider eases the emotional, physical, and financial strain on everyone involved in your care as you age. It's important to explore all of the policy and rider options available to you so that you can build a plan that evolves with your changing needs. Consider setting aside time every few months to evaluate your situation and then research life insurance options with your must-haves in mind. It's also a good idea to speak with a trusted financial advisor who can take your situation into account and help educate you where online resources fall short. That's it for today, everyone. If you'd like to learn more, consider checking out our article on how you can customize your plan with riders. Link in the description. And as always, if you are interested in empowering yourself and taking control of your situation, subscribe to our channel to put more health, life, and financial tips on your radar. See you in the next one. Bye.